Immune-boosting morning juice. Stay healthy for years. Are you ready to supercharge your immune system and stay healthy for years? Let's whip up a powerful juice recipe that'll do just that. First, grab a carrot and peel it. Chop it into pieces. Carrots are loaded with vitamins A and C, which are crucial for your vision, skin, and overall health. Next, grab some ginger and chop it finely. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and aid digestion. Now, take a fresh lemon and squeeze out its juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, detoxifies your body, and gives your skin a healthy glow. Throw all these ingredients into a blender along with 2 cups of water. Blend everything for 2 minutes until smooth. Finally, add a tablespoon of turmeric to the mix. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, giving your immune system an extra boost. Drink this natural remedy every morning to reap all the incredible benefits and kickstart your day on a healthy note. Don't forget to save this video so you can make this powerful juice every morning.